Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make egg salad. Start by boiling eggs until firm, about 10 minutes, then cool and peel them promptly to prevent overcooking. Chop eggs coarsely and fold gently with mayonnaise, mustard, chopped celery, and green onion. Season with salt and pepper, taste, and adjust. Serve chilled on bread, lettuce, or crackers for a quick, satisfying meal that stores well for up to 3 days. Bring eggs to room temperature before boiling for easier peeling and a creamier texture in your salad. Whisk mayonnaise with a little mustard and a splash of vinegar or lemon for bright flavor without overpowering the eggs. Fold in diced celery, green onion, and a pinch of salt and pepper, then taste and tweak. Keep the dressing light to let the egg flavor shine and maintain pleasant texture. Try variations like swapping half the mayonnaise for Greek yogurt to reduce richness while keeping creaminess. For different flavor directions, add fresh dill or a pinch of smoked paprika, or mix in curry powder for a warm twist. Serve the egg salad on toasted bread, in an avocado boat, or over mixed greens for a lighter plate. Garnish with chives or a sprinkle of paprika for color and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.